Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati, and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Fill My Pockets by MGK and Wiz Khalifa. Now, the song is in standard tuning, so that means your strings are going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. So get yourself a tune, and then we're going to get started on this lesson. All right, so let's take a look at this song here. So we got two riffs actually to learn, and once you get these two down, you got the song down. So pretty self-explanatory stuff, nothing, no crazy guitar solos or whatnot. But we're gonna take a look at that intro riff of, oop, and I just messed it up there. All right, so we're gonna take a look at that first. So what do we got going here? So we got an 8th fret, all right, and that's on our A string, and then a 10th fret, okay, of the B string. And and this is kind of finger picking, so I'm plucking it, and I'm getting that with my thumb on the A, and then my middle finger plucking the B, okay? And that's your first chord. Again, 8 and a 10. So what you're doing there is you're plucking the first chord and you're sliding into your second. So, and the second chord is a 10th fret, okay, on the A, and an 11 of the B. So just one pluck and then you slide. Now we're just gonna go in between these two notes actually. So then you're gonna play 11 to the 10 of the A, back to the 11 of the B. Okay, so hopefully that's making sense, but this is how the first little bit of that goes. Okay, then you're gonna come on up, 15th fret of that B string, and slide down to the 11th of the same string, your B. So, and then it finishes on a 10 of that A. So, so all together, we got this. Okay, and that's the first half of the riff. So then it goes on down here with a similar idea. So now we're gonna be playing, we're plucking this chord. So a 5 and a 6 is your chord, and slide into a 6 in your 8. So, and then you're going in between 8, 6, and 8. So just how we did it up here, going in between, now we're doing. Okay, so the second half, really slowly, is. Okay, hopefully that's all coming together there. So let's just play the whole thing. I'm gonna play it slow for you, but I'm really hoping that this is making sense for all of you beginners out there. So here we go. Actually, that's not even that slow. Let's do it even slower, right? Okay, now we get into this transition right into that chorus chord. So really simple transition. It's an 8th fret, okay, of our G string to a 7th, same string, G string. So, and so the way I'm doing that is, if you're doing the finger picking style, it's gonna be middle finger and pointer finger. So, and then you go into, right? And that's our chorus chords, which we are gonna take a look at next. All right, so pretty simple chords here. We got that, you know, that kind of octave shape that we're keeping just consistent throughout this song. But what do we got here? We got a 6th fret on our E and then a 7th fret of our G. And you're gonna pluck those two together for that first chord. And you're plucking them 3 times there. Okay, and then you're gonna take that 6th fret on the E, slide it on up to the 8th, and then grab your 8 right after on the G. So all together. And then you can come on down, 3rd fret now of the E, and a 3rd fret of the G. Pluck those together 3 times. And then you finish. So on that 3rd time, you're gonna slide it down to your final chord, which is a 1st fret of that E, and then a 2nd fret of the G. All right? And that's the entire chorus, really. So let's play it slowly together, and that's just looping until we kind of get back into that main riff, you know? And, you know, it just all loops together. So let's just play that chorus riff slowly. All right, here we go. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on the song called Fill My Pockets by MGK and Wiz Khalifa. Now, if this helped you out and you're able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.